Alright, so look, we out here at the spot. I got my A1 Day One with me, and we finna prank Kevster. Kevster basically done came out here, went Garrett Webster. Ass weak as fuck, bro. Alcohol tester. Some ass shit, you feel me? We about to go inside and test him. That's a trim. Burned my fucking face off right there, dude. Did you see the fire outside? What'd you hear when that happened? Yeah. When it fucking fell over and shit? It fell over? Yeah. Eli was in there going like this apparently, and that shit fell on a stinky leg. You alright? Nah, he's gone. What the fuck? Damn. Say, I got it, bro. Yo, shit. Hell yeah! Hey, gone, bro. Rep that murder gang, don't ask a Google, they don't talk to me about your ops unless you can't shoot them. I'll turn I'll get up. This is how they murder. And I'll back it out of here. Give me 30 minutes. I'll back it out. Eli is losing his fucking shit, my bro. Well, then give me 10 minutes to start, bro, and get the start ripping. That shit. Goddamn. The party don't stop. Praise hell! Eat your bitch in the asshole! What's your thoughts on the Elon?
He's pretty bad off, man. If he don't knock another tooth out tonight,
I'd be surprised.
I'll be disappointed. What did you tell me on Facebook the other day?
I can't remember. I'll be sending you all kinds of shit.
Always in a brown girl. I can't trade the brown one for the world.
What a fucking fuck right there. Eli Dick. What you doing there, buddy?
Going on the way. I'll fuck with him.
So responsible.
Fuck y'all.
Inspirational words only, though.
Hey, look here. If anybody tells you can't do it, fuck it, get drunk and do it, bitch.
Yes, sir.
Hey, if you can't do it, you a bitch.
Bitch
if you can do it, you doing it right. Like I said, if you can do it, you doing it right. If you can't do it, you a bitch.
Show him what you made of, Elon.
Hey, we made of 125 pounds of sex appeal and twisted steel, baby. We get her in there, we get her out there. In or out, your motor's coming, baby.
So you turn some wrenches.
Boy, I turn more wrenches than any of them motherfuckers on TikTok or YouTube every goddamn turn in their fucking life.
How much you make off of it?
Not a goddamn thing, but I keep every motherfucker on the road.
Hell yeah. Turn that boat right there. Show that son of a bitch what you made of, Elon. Come on.
I got rice cooking in the microwave. It's tight though.
You got a 14 on the 11 on the 12.
It wasn't Cody, but somebody was working over there and I gave them my 14.
Today.
Pete's got the most expiration for it. See him, he's getting after it right now. He's getting y'all the quarter today.
Oh!
To my little niggas, cause I'm down for my niggas. I ride for my niggas. Fucking my head on the ride for my motherfucking nigga.
The people, I got this damn lava, man. Hey, Buck. Not yet.
Too drunk to fix the car, but the car needs to be fixed. I got it ready to be fixed,
Fucked up, dude.
but I'm too drunk to fix it.
I need to stay out drugs, stay in school, stay in the books. Don't drop out. Make sure you get that diploma, or it's gonna be over and over again.
You already know what's for sale here? I got a gorilla for sale. You know I got that bitch for sale again. I got that bitch for sale again. I got a gorilla and it's for sale. Oh.
Really? Sell.
Over and over again. I got me a gorilla for sale again. Oh, there you go.
There you go. One more time.
T-top.
Hey, get some cameras. Hey, let me get visuals.
By the time I got a gorilla.
I ain't seen somebody drunk in a minute. So my buddy's pretty mad at his ex right now, and this is the outcome. All right, perfect.
Bert. How you sit away, Bert? Oh, God. You know, Mo, I'll probably get 10 years, so just give it bears till they get here. Oh, she got me sitting at a bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. She sold my heart in the trailer park, so I jacked the keys to her fucking car. And crashed that piece of shit. Missteps, it was meant to be. Romance is misery, so much for memories. And now I'm headed to the penitentiary, and you're on TV. The next cop series, I am a danger. I guess I should have did something about my anger, but I never learned. Real stains are no concern. I pour kerosene on everything. Oh, back again, back to the pen to see my friends. And when we all pile out that county van, they're gonna ask me where I've been. I'll bury that. Get down with it. The outside.
Ate that nigga sick and then stepped away. So basically, we just got the final friend out here. Final cut for the night is Kevidinsky, and we're gonna do a little interview with him, and then that's gonna be it, guys. Appreciate y'all.
And I stepped away. Yeah, I stepped away.
Everybody knows him. He's the OG. He's the OG partner. We've been waiting on him all night. Kevidinsky, is there anything motivational you want to say? Everybody out here said something motivational tonight, and we say best for last, and we was wondering deep down from inside from who you are, what would you say is some inspirational words to touch as many people as you possibly can? Yes.
Some food right now would be great, man. You feel me? Some food, man. You heard me?
Hey, facts. If you ain't eating right, eat right now. Kevidinsky.
The inspirational words for tonight are, if anybody says you can't do it, fuck them. You can do it. Aaron, do you know how to drive a 5-speed?
Yeah.
You drive a fifth. You know how to drive a clutch?
No.
We'll teach you how to drive a clutch tomorrow.
Alright, well, that was our family fun night. We just seen all the bros, and then some of them I was like, what the fudge? But, you know, fudge is cool sometimes, I guess. Anyways, guys, so I hope y'all liked our family fun night. Hope y'all enjoyed us being around our fam, our day one A1s, you already know. A few of us wasn't there, but hey, when there's some of us, it's like there's all of us. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know it's been a minute since we put another video up. Since it's been getting cold recently, we've had some things pop up. But hopefully we'll make it up to y'all guys in the end. Appreciate you guys once again. Love. See y'all in the next one.